Your Tesla has a full interactive owner's manual built right into the touchscreen. Let me show you how to get access to this. Alright, so you can have access to the manual with two methods. You can open the list of settings, and from the following list you can choose here Service. From Service you can choose Owner's Manual, and as you can see here you can wait a few seconds and you can use the following Owner's Manual. But you can also use the list of all applications, and here you could also get access to the manual. Let's tap it, and as you can see here we've got some tutorials, some video tutorials to use. You can also choose here Owner's Manual, and here you've got interactive book that you can read in different languages. Let me tap here. Here you've got the full list of available languages. You can read all sections that you are interested in, for example, connectivity, Wi-Fi, and you can read all the important stuff about your car. What's also interesting and useful, the Tesla is updating this manual, so all of this information are current to your car and current to your software. You can also check out here release notes, and as you can see here you've got information about newer releases, about updates, and you can read all important stuff about your car. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.